The DU4000 dosing unit is suitable for the Trison 4.0002 ultrasonic bath from BANDELIN. The integrated dosing unit enables automatic filling with water and cleaning agent and automatic emptying of the ultrasonic oscillating tank. A built-in fill level sensor prevents accidental overfilling, particularly practical. The unit is operated via the touch display on the base. This means that no additional operating unit is required. At the start of the shift, the Trison fills the oscillating tank with the exact amount of cleaning solution in just a few steps via the touch display without any manual intervention. The exact duration of filling and emptying the oscillating tank depends on the local conditions. The average duration of the initial filling of the oscillating tank is approx 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Optionally, degassing can be started automatically after filling. If a solution is used up in the course of use, it can be easily replaced. Draining and refilling is also done in just a few steps via the touch display. Manual operation of a rotary knob is not necessary. The average time for emptying, subsequent rinsing of the tank floor and refilling of the oscillating tank with water and cleaning agent is approx 4 minutes. Some cleaning solution is always lost when instruments are removed after cleaning. With the practical refill function, the missing amount can be added so that the solution is once again at the correct level. At the end of the shift, the oscillating tank can be easily emptied via the menu on the touch display. After emptying, a few liters of water are automatically traced in order to roughly remove any residue on the tank floor. The average duration of emptying and subsequent rinsing of the oscillating tank is around 2 minutes. The dosing unit is low maintenance and the canister can be changed in a few simple steps. Various functions, such as automatic degassing, the cleaning agent itself, and the concentration of the agent, the refill quantity, and other useful settings can be defined in the menu.
More than clean, BANDELIN.